Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how can we create a table and how can we add a shadow on our design. Okay, first of all, let me save that one first, and I'm gonna open a new document. Okay, I save, go to, I'm going to new and new template. First of all, I'm gonna delete that person, and I'm gonna make a rectangle, 6 food, comma 3 food, and enter. Pull it up 2 inch. After this, select all prism and make it a group. Right click on your design and click on make a group. Okay, so change your perspective. You need to put your name or initial. I prefer your last name at the bottom of the table. Okay, so grab text tool and put your name. It will be 0.3 food. Okay, those needs to be unchecked, and okay, place it in the middle of the thing. Right, so the next step is we are gonna place guidelines for 2 inch from each corner. Okay, grab measurement tool and place 2 inch. Okay, 2 inch, 2 inch, and 2 inch. Okay, we are gonna create our legs for each corner. Let's grab again rectangle tool and make a square 4 inches by 4 inches. Okay, and then select your rectangle, make it a component, right click on your design and click on make a component. I'm going to change the name leg. Okay, so copy that square to each corner. Okay, grab your move tool, press Ctrl. When you press Ctrl, you're going to see the plus sign, and copy to each corner. Okay, and then edit that component. Whatever I'm gonna do on this thing is gonna affect all the square. Okay, all the rest of the three square. Okay, edit component, grab a push pull tool and push it down 36 inch. Okay, and then select the bottom of your design, just bottom of your design. Okay, if you make double click, edit component, if you make double click on, and you're gonna select it. Okay, let's scale to the middle. Grab scale tool, it is inside move tool. Okay, press Ctrl and scale to the middle a little bit. That's perfect. and select. So let's rotate our design. Okay, you see our legs at the bottom of our origin. Then I'm gonna select all design to the align to the center point. Okay, so select the old design. Alright, with Control A, or with the select tool you can select all tool and grab move tool. That corner needs to meet that leg needs to meet with that origin. Okay, you need to find origin. Yep. Now our design on the ground. Okay, not below of the origin. So let's make color. Grab your bucket tool, guys, and on the materials and browse, select wood. Select wood. I'm gonna select that one and click on our. I'm gonna click on our design. Alright. So our table is ready. So, and then go to guys display, uncheck access. Okay, uncheck guides. Alright, and then go to display again, check shadows. You can arrange your shadows according to date and time. Okay, after you're done, please submit your file into my Google Classroom. Tomorrow we'll be designing chairs around our table.